Great day and welcome to today's online class today with Mr. Michael. You are all welcome. And as it has always been before, as impressive as our classes have been, that is how it's still going to be today. My name is Mr. Michael, your mathematics teacher. Today we are looking at something very much interesting than what we've ever seen. We know that we have treated weights, the meaning of weights and how to conversion of weights, because we know that the weight has majorly two basic units. We have the grams and the kilograms. The grams and the kilograms. And we know that anything kilo is more than grams. So the grams is this lower unit of measurement, of measuring weight, while the kilogram is a bit higher than kilograms. Though there are still other units, but based on this level, let us make use of the grams and the kilograms. Now, before we proceed, we should know the difference between this gram and kilogram. Anything kilo is higher. Once it's attached, just like in kilometers, we know that kilometers are higher than meters. So in kilograms are also higher than grams. Now, what is 1 gram is equal to what? We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. That means before you say I have 1,000 kilograms of something, that it should be, before you say I have 1 kilogram of something, that it should be up to 1,000 grams. Example, before I can say that vehemently and as I know myself that I can weigh up to 1 kg, I should be able to weigh up to 1,000 grams before my weight will say that, okay, I can weigh up to 1 kilogram. Now, how do we know that grams and kilograms can be used for measurement? Now, let's look at it. We have done our multiplication, we have done our division, our addition and subtraction. Now, today we are doing our multiplication. How do we multiply this? Remember, we said it earlier that if you want to do any kind of comparison between two weights, for you to know how far one is bigger or how to subtract from any other one, you must either convert the kilogram to gram to make sure they have the same unit, or you convert grams to kilogram to make both of them have the same unit, so you can make it easier for the conversion. For example, if I have 3.165 kilogram and I'm asked to convert this to grams, what do I need to do? The only thing I know is that since 1 kg is equal to 1,000 grams, the only thing I can do is to multiply this 1,000 by this 3.165. And we all know that when we have division of decimals, that once a number, for example 3.165, is dividing 1,000, what happens? The decimal point moves 3 times to the left. That means already this one is already in kilograms dividing this 1,000. So So that means 1, 2, 3 videos. 1, 2, 3. Just means the decimal point comes to this place. So now what we have is 3165.0. If you like, grams. I've automatically convert it to grams. Or if you think it is difficult for you to convert it this way, the only thing you do is 3.165. The only thing you can do to make it even more easier is to just remove the decimal point. It becomes 3165 grams. So you know that you have 3,165 grams. But in kilogram you have 3 points, that means 3 kilograms and 165 grams. Just by saying 3 kg and 165 grams. This one is in gram because it's not up to 1,000. But this one is in kilogram because it's up to 1,000. So you have 3 kilograms and 165 grams. That is how to convert our grams to kilogram and kilograms to grams. Now, how do we multiply this? The major thing we are doing today is to multiply weight. For example, we have 5 blocks. 5, for example, ceramic blocks. Each of them weighs each of them weighs 5 kg. How much or how heavy are the three weights? This one is so simple. You say 3 kg, each of them multiplied by the number of them. So it will give you 25 kg. This one is very, very simple. We can multiply this as simple as it is. But now, if we say that we have 3 blocks, 3 ceramic blocks, one of them weighs 650 grams, and the ones that you take, they are about 15 blocks. What you need to do is multiply this 650, the weight, multiplied by the total number of the blocks. That means 650 multiplied by 15. That means you bring down your grams. 5 times 0 is 0. That means any number multiplied 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. You write the unit number, you bring the 2 up, which is 5. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2, 32. You take that again. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. It's the normal, our normal multiplication. So you bring down your 0, because here we are adding. You bring 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. That means the 3 blocks weighs 9,750 kilograms, or sorry, grams. Now, sometimes you might be told to leave your answers in grams, or you might be told to convert your answer to kilograms. In this case, we have 9,750 grams. If you are asked to leave your answers in grams, leave it the way it is, no problem. But if you are asked to convert your answers to kilograms, now you say that, okay, for me to convert 9,750 to grams, what do I need to do? You don't have to do anything so serious. The only thing is you say that, okay, 9,750 is either you multiply it by 1,000, divide it by 1,000, which will make it more easier for you. Anything multiplied, the number of zeros are how many? Are 3. So you come from here, 1, 2, 3. That means we have 9,750 grams or kg, or you can say 9 kg, 750 grams. Now, to make it very, very simple, you already will have 9,750. The only thing that we can do without stress is just to add a 0 here. Once you add a 0, you add a kg here. It has automatically changed to 9 kilograms, 750 grams. As simple as it is. So with this, I can believe that there is even as much as we know our normal multiplication pattern, because I know that we have created facts about multiplication. We can do this as we can. Now, we have 3 blocks, each of them that weighs 5 kg, and we have 2 blocks, each of them that weighs 750 grams. Now, if we want to check the total weight, first of all, what are we going to do? We can only say that, okay, how do we get the total weight of this? First of all, both of them must have the same unit. It's either you convert 750 grams to kilograms, so that you will have 0.750 kilograms, or you change 5 grams to kilograms, so 5 kilograms to grams, so that you will have 5,000 grams. So from this, when you add, I'm talking about addition, you will know that, okay, this is the total weight that each and every one of them can, or so that the 5 of them weighs. But if you have 5 weights, each of them weighs 635 grams each. If 5 weights, each of them weighs 635 grams, and you are asked to find the total weight of those materials, what do you say? We all know that multiplication means repeated addition. You say, okay, 635 to 635 3, 635 4, 635, that's 5. You say, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You say, okay, this is 25, write down 5, carry 2, write your grams. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 plus 2, 17. Write your 7, take 1. And you say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 31. 31 grams. If you like to convert them to kilograms, you can say this will be 0 here. That means it will become 3 kilograms and 175 grams. If you think this one will waste your time, waste your ink, waste your nothing, you can say, okay, 635 grams multiplied by 5 of those materials. You say 5 times 5 is 25. Write your 5, carry 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Write your 7, take 1. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, 31 grams. And still, if you want to convert it to kilogram, all you need to do is just to say 3 point, just put your decimal point, 3.175 kg, or you can say 3 kg, 175 grams. So this is the only way you can know that, making it easier and simpler for you to multiply. Either you use your repeated addition or you use the multiplication method, which I believe this is so simple and easier for us because we know our multiplication. The only thing there is, once we know our conversion unit, however it is given to us, we understand what we're supposed to do. My name is Mr. Michael, your auto mathematics teacher. So if there's anything here you don't understand, I'm still very much available. Send your questions and I'll be so glad to answer you in a very way, even more than the way you need to understand it. You will even come back to teach me what I even taught you. My name is Mr. Michael. I will should just be attentive, pay attention, say your question. If there's anything you need to understand, ask questions. We'll answer it for you. Just have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. Bye.